right? The question is that why gray code is called as the unit distance code or cyclic code. Now if you observe, cyclic code or unit distance code or gray code, which are used in the error detection purpose. What is the meaning of error detection? The moment you send the information from the source to the destination does not know anything about the source. If it is does not anything knows about the source also, it need to identify whether the received information is correct or not. To find out this, one of the error detection mechanism is the gray code mechanism, right? By using of this gray code, we can able to find out the received information is correct or not. So how we can able to find out means 0 0, for example 0 1 1 1 1 0, which is transmitting from the transmitter. Let it be the information something 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 is received at the receiver side. Now what it will do means just compare one bit value with the another bit value, then try to find out how many changes are there. 0 0 means no change, right? How many bits are changing here? 0 to 1 means one difference, right? One bit changing. So here how many bits are changing? 0 to 1 means one change, 1 to 1 means no change, right? So again 1 to 1 means no change, 1 to 0 means one change. So what is the meaning of unit distance code? Means if you are comparing with one bit number with the another bit number, if it is differ by only one bit position, then it is called as the unit distance code. By using this, we are sending the information and we are receiving at the receiver information. If all obeying the one bit, then it is called as the receiver code. What is the correct? If not, then receiver code is something error. So the application of the unit distance code or gray code is to find out the received information is error or error free. On what base mechanism? It is following the unit distance. Means if you are comparing one bit number with the another bit number, it should be vary with only one bit position. Yes. Now one more important question is that what are the applications of the XR and